This time, let's take a look at the production process of dried orange slices. First, workers will place freshly picked oranges into a bubble-style washing machine. This removes the dust and impurities from the surface. After cleaning, the oranges are scooped out and drained. Once appropriately drained, the oranges are placed one by one into a slicer. They are then uniformly cut into evenly thick slices. The slices are then carefully arranged by workers on drying trays, one by one. Each layer's bottom will be lined with a piece of gauze. This helps the slices to be removed more easily after the dehydration process. Each drying tray will hold 2 layers of sliced pieces. Once arranged, they are transported to the freeze-drying workshop. Here, they pass through the freeze-drying equipment in front of us. This removes the moisture from the slices. The process works in a vacuum environment, using sublimation. It makes the water in the frozen food skip the melting stage and directly sublimate from ice to vapor, thus removing the moisture. This method is known as vacuum freeze-drying, or freeze-dried food, as most people are familiar with. Using freeze-drying technology helps better preserve the color, aroma, taste, appearance, and various active biological nutrients of the slices. Once dehydration is complete, the dried slices are also sorted. Any slices with poor appearance are removed. And just like that, the product is ready.